Hello, you're welcome to Tutor for Our Day channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you all how to contact YouTube creator support team live chat. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So you want to actually live chat YouTube itself, then this video is actually for you. So this is the first place you need to actually go to. I'm going to drop the link on this video description. So you can go to this video description and click the link and it's going to direct you to this page. This is YouTube help community page. So right here, you need to click on describe your issue. You can see where you can actually click on describe your issue and describe your issue right here. Now let's take for instance, your YouTube account was demonetized. You can see my YouTube account was demonetized. So after typing it just like that, you need to click on the search button in order to search for your results. So looking right here, you can see the options right here at the bottom of the screen. You can see where it says contact us. So you can only see contact us if your YouTube channel is already monetized. If your YouTube channel is not monetized, you won't be able to see the feature of contact us. So that might be the reason why you're finding it difficult to see the option of contact us. Right here, you need to go ahead and click on contact us. Right here, you need to go ahead and tell them your issue, then click on next. So you can go ahead and select the options right here and click on next. So once you do that, you need to go ahead and click on next as well. Looking here, you can see the option for you to chat or send an email to YouTube. So you can choose to click on chat just like this and input your full name. After explaining your issue, if this issue is all about a specific video, then you can go ahead and click on yes. If not, then you can go ahead and click on no. And right here, you can go ahead and click on yes or no depending on the issue on board. Yeah, I'm going to click on no. Then scroll to the bottom. Right here, you can see where it says choose file. You can go ahead and click on choose file in order to select any file from your device related to the issue you are trying to complain about. Then go ahead and click on submit. You can see the submit button at the bottom of the screen. So once you click on the submit button, you are going to be open to chat with a YouTube creator support team. So this is how simple it is to actually contact YouTube creator support team live chat. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.